Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you how to join a clan in Standoff 2 so you can team up with players, join tournaments and level up faster. So let's get started. First, open the Standoff 2 app on your mobile device. From the main menu, tap on the clan icon usually located on the left side of the screen. If you're not in a clan yet, you'll see an option to create clan or find clan. Tap on find clan. Now type the name of the clan that you want to join or browse the list of recommended clans. Once you find a clan that you want to join, tap on clan profile to view its details like members, rank and join requirements. If the clan is open, you'll see a send join request button. Tap on it to send a request or join instantly. If the clan is invite only, you'll have to send a join request and wait for approval from the clan leader. Once accepted, you'll officially become a member of the clan and can start participating in clan activities. And that's how you can join clan in Standoff 2.